Good morning, Ryan Walters here, your Coachella Valley Realtor. We're touring another home today in Palm Springs. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,300 square feet, and it has an attached ADU, an accessory dwelling unit, which can be closed off and rented off completely separate from the other 2 bedrooms. It's listed just under $1 million at $997. And I would like to thank the Tracy Aldo Group for allowing me to tour this residence today. We're just about a mile south of the airport, so easy for convenience traveling, and just about 2 miles away from hiking and downtown Palm Springs for shopping and dining. If there's anything I could help with, please reach out. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else I could do to help with your real estate endeavors here in town. Let's go ahead and take a look. this gorgeous, modernly upgraded home with me today. As you saw, I thought that upgraded attached dwelling unit was a really cool opportunity that allows flex space for this house. If you wanted to lock that off and rent it out, you're open to do so. Or if you have friends over, of course, they could stay on their side of the house and you'll be on your side. Please let me know what you guys think. If you could like, comment, subscribe, that'll help me a lot to keep this channel running. If there's anything else I could do to help with your real estate endeavors here in town and make it a smooth transaction for you, please feel to reach out. My contact information is in the description below. Thank you. Have a great day.